Pencil2D animation software installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. It is free and open source software. Anyone, your favorite browser. Open Google search box lo enter Pencil2D. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display. Pencil2D animation pencil2d.org. First link click. Pencil2D animation official web page complete display. Right side first one option download click. Download section lo installation latest version current stable version 0.7.2 release date 13th March 2026 year. Supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Users also download and install this application. Present Windows setup. Windows 7 64-bit operating system. Users first one 64-bit select 32-bit related operating system 32-bit second one select. Present 64-bit first one select. Download section lo pencil2d-win64- version 0.7.2.zip file downloading process start. File size 68.9 MB. Wait and here few minutes. Process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Pencil2D zip file display. Select mouse right click. Extract all options select. Select a destination and extract files. Extracted file location display in box. Default set first button extract click. Extracting process start. Process completed. Pencil2D folder select mouse right click. First icon cut click. Folder close. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. Pencil2D folder select mouse double click. Pencil2D related shortcut icon select mouse right click. Properties option select. Pencil2D properties window lo bottom side unblock option left side box tick mark set. Third button apply and OK click. Pencil2D shortcut icon select mouse right click. Show more options select. Send to option select. Sub panel desktop create shortcut. Third option select. Folder close. Desktop shortcut icon select mouse double click. Run this application. Pencil2D window maximize. Complete interface display. Left side first one section lo tools set your convenient left and right panel. First one pencil tool and second one options set your convenient side panel. Increase this size options window lo width. Increase right side drag. Increase and decrease. Bottom side animation related panel. Keyframes first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Play this one. Slow motion and play.